Well, hello there everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Christy and I'm making ricotta cheese today, guys. That's right. I want to show you how to make homemade ricotta cheese. Now this is something that I have been wanting to make for quite some time. My friend Linda, she has her own YouTube channel called Easy Cooking with Linda B, and she made this a few months ago and I've been wanting to make it ever since. So today is the day. Now it only has 4 ingredients: whole milk, heavy cream, salt, and vinegar. So it looks really easy to make. I've known how to make this, I just never have made it myself. So I'm super excited to make this and share it with you guys today. Thanks so much, Linda, for the inspiration. But we've got to get started because it's time to get cooking. All right, I have a stainless steel large soup pot and I'm going to add my milk. Now this milk has been sitting out at room temperature for a few hours, just so that it will come up to more of a room temperature. And then add the heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of salt. All right, so I'm just going to give it a stir and I'm going to let this cook. We want it to come up to a low simmer and it'll take anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to cover it and I'm just going to check on it periodically. All right. So you can see it's definitely starting to bubble. So now I'm just going to take a thermometer. It's supposed to be at 180 degrees. So yep, we are definitely there. So next I'm going to take a half of a cup of white vinegar. And I'm going to give this just a little stir. And I'm going to cover this back up and turn the heat down to a low heat and let it cook for about 10 minutes, being very careful, keeping my eye on it. All right, I want to take a little peek. Oh boy, it's looking good. All right, so the ricotta is all done. I'm excited, guys. It looks beautiful. All right, next I'm going to remove the ricotta cheese, and what I have here is a colander inside of a bowl, and I've lined it with a tea towel. But I want to show you guys what this looks like. So as you can see, it has, the curds have separated from the whey. And what you're left with is beautiful ricotta cheese. So I'm just going to gently place this in my towel here. And it is important not to pour this into the colander. You just want to get a slotted spoon. I have my nice big slotted scoop. But just look at this ricotta cheese. This ricotta cheese looks beautiful. I'm so excited to use this in some recipes. Now I do want to mention that Linda's friend Anne-Marie showed Linda how to make this on her video. So I also want to thank Anne-Marie for this wonderful recipe. It really is beautiful ricotta cheese. All right, that's all there is to it. Beautiful homemade ricotta cheese. Oh, I can't resist though, guys. I've got to have just a little taste. Wow. That is so light and fresh. So delicious. So much better than store-bought Well, thanks again, Linda and Anne-Marie, for this wonderful recipe. I will give you the link below to Linda's YouTube channel, Easy Cooking with Linda B. Go and check her out. But thanks, guys, for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes. And hint, hint, I'm going to be using this ricotta cheese in my next recipe.